Yeah, I'm Mike Kuschmeider. I'm a graphic designer over here at 360 Wraps. When I first started working with John over at the Shelby Realty Group, they were kind of new to wraps. They really didn't know what kind of direction they wanted to go. They had a logo. That was basically it. They pretty much left the rest of it up to us to figure out what kind of look they were going to get. It originally started off with just kind of a basic, which you'd normally see for a real estate type business, something simple. John did a little research and he actually went online and found some examples of wraps that he liked, looked at those and said, okay, he wants something more of an edge, different than what you normally see with a real estate company. So we put some other design ideas together, got over some, played around with different colors. He liked the light grays and dark grays, a little blue to it. Everything flowed really smooth until we got the look that he was really going for. And they were really loud and it just pops. It looks really good. Install looks great. Everything came out awesome.